Hello everyone. I have decided every day to do something for my soul. Every day we get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life. Deadlines, meetings, and endless to-do lists can leave us feeling drained and disconnected from ourselves. But what if we took a moment each day to nurture our soul? For me, that means painting. Painting allows me to tap into my creativity, letting my imagination run wild with colors and shapes. It's a space where there are no rules, just endless possibilities. Each brushstroke helps clear my mind, washing away the stress and noise of the day. It's a meditative process that brings me peace and clarity. In a world that constantly pushes us to go faster and achieve more, painting is my way of slowing down. So find that one thing that feeds your soul, whether it's painting, writing, or simply taking a walk in the nature. Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of doing something other than work. Today I'm going to watch a comedy show with my friends. Here is the venue. Life with friends is so much better. Whether it's watching a hilarious stand-up comedy, savoring delicious ice cream together. So gather your friends and make every moment beautiful. Friends make everything better. Let's laugh together. Day 3 of my 30 days challenge of doing something besides work. And today I dedicated time to working on my Microsoft Power BI certification. Learning new skills and constantly upskilling is so important. And I'm really enjoying diving into Power BI. This is a fantastic tool for data visualization and analysis. Today I learned how to create and customize dashboards, which can provide valuable insights from data. It's exciting to see how these new skills can be applied in real-world scenarios, making data more accessible and understandable. Day 3 is complete and I'm feeling more confident with Power BI. Remember, learning never stops. See you tomorrow for day 4. Hey everyone, welcome to day 4 of my 30-day challenge to do something besides work. Today was a particularly long day at the office and I came home feeling exhausted. So I decided to take it easy. I made myself a cup of tea, one of my favorite ways to unwind. Instead of staring at a screen, I picked up The Prague Cemetery by Umberto Eco. It's a fascinating read and perfect for helping me slow down and focus. This challenge is all about finding balance and reducing my screen time. Reading a good book is one of the best ways to relax and recharge. Thanks for joining me on this journey. See you tomorrow for day 5. Hello everyone, welcome to day 5 of doing something other than work. Today, I decided to indulge in one of my favorite guilty pleasures, watching anime. Sometimes it's nice to take a break from this world and dive into a different world altogether. Whether it's epic battles, heartwarming moments, or just good laugh, anime has it all. It's a perfect way to relax and unwind. Today I watched a few episodes of Kimi ni Todoke on Netflix. And it was amazing. It's a love story. Here are a few animes I really enjoyed and watch over and over again. Hey everyone, it's day 6 of my 30-day challenge to explore new horizons beyond work. Today I joined an incredible webinar about coaching business and gained some valuable insights. I learned about the importance of defining your niche and understanding your target audience. One key takeaway was the power of building strong client relationships to foster trust and growth. Feeling inspired and ready to apply these lessons. Stay tuned for more adventures tomorrow. Hey everyone, it's day 7 of my 30-day challenge to do something other than work. Today I decided to travel without using headphones. Usually, whenever I travel, I play some music on. So it was amazing how much more connected I felt to my surroundings. I noticed the birds chirping, the rustle of leaves, and even snippets of interesting conversations around me. Being mindful of the little things made my journey more enjoyable and relaxing. I have decided to make this a regular practice. It's a simple change, but it really enhances my awareness and appreciation of the world. Try it out for yourself. Thanks for joining me on Day 7. See you tomorrow for the next part. Welcome to Day 8 of my journey to experience life beyond work. Today I return to a place that means more to me than words can express. I spent the day with my parents and sister in our cherished family home. This house is where my heart truly feels at home. Every corner holds a memory, every room a piece of my childhood. Today the rain outside seemed to echo the comfort inside. This is the room I spent my entire childhood in. As I watched the rain fall, I felt an overwhelming sense of peace. The world outside felt calm, so did I. Welcome to Day 9 of my 30 days challenge to experience life beyond work. Today I decided to bake something delicious. Baking has always been a therapeutic experience for me. Measuring out ingredients, mixing them together, and watching the dough come together really helps me focus and unwind. There is something incredibly satisfying about creating something from scratch. It's a great way to take a break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. And what's the best part? The smell of freshly baked cookies filling the house. After a short time in the oven, they are ready to enjoy. Warm, dewy, and perfect with a glass of milk. Welcome to Day 10 of my experiencing life beyond work. Today I took a walk in the park. As I walked through the park, I saw someone with their canine companion. The bond between them was heartwarming. I met another furry friend and took a moment to say hi. It's amazing how a simple interaction can lift your spirits. Being in nature surrounded by its tranquility made me feel rejuvenated. It's these small moments that remind us to cherish life beyond work. Take a step outside, connect with nature, and find joy in the little things. Hello everyone, welcome to Day 11 of my 30 days journey of experiencing life beyond work. Today was a low energy day. You know what kind of days I am talking about. This is the kind of day you feel like staying in the bed and do nothing and be in your pajamas. So I felt this kind of a day today. So I made a conscious decision. I did not go to work. I chose to do work from home instead. So this is also the kind of days when I usually order food from outside and keep on munching on unhealthy snacks. But not today. I made another decision. I went to the kitchen and made myself something which I know that I would enjoy. A healthy lunch. Today I learned that it's all about mindful choices. Today was also the reminder that it's okay to have this kind of days. Small positive actions can make big difference. Welcome to Of my journey of experiencing life beyond work. Today it was a beautiful escape into the world of art. Today I finally used the brush set gifted by a dear friend Joshua. Each brush, an extension of his kindness, felt like a promise of creative freedom. I decided to paint cherry blossoms, their delicate petals capturing the essence of fleeting beauty and renewal. With every stroke, I felt a wave of tranquility wash over me. The soft hues of pink and white danced together, creating a serene symphony of colors. Art has always been therapeutic for me, a way to express emotions that words often fail to capture. Today was more than just painting. It was a moment of connection, a silent conversation with my heart. It reminded me that amidst the chaos of life, there is always space for beauty and peace. Experiencing life beyond work has taught me the value of these precious moments, where the soul can breathe and the heart can dream. Welcome to day 14 of my experiencing life beyond work. Today I spent quality time bonding with my colleagues during lunch. It's so important to build strong relationships at work. These moments of connection create a supportive and positive work environment. When we take time to get to know each other, collaboration becomes smoother and work is more enjoyable. Plus, it's nice to have friends you can count on throughout the day. Remember, work friendships can make big difference. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more of my journey. Welcome to day 15 of my journey of experiencing life beyond work. Today, I decided to bring a bit of nature into my world by painting flowers. There is something incredibly soothing about translating the beauty of flowers onto a canvas. Each stroke feels like a breath of fresh air, a moment to connect with the simple joys that surround us. As the colors blend and the flowers came to life,